Hey waffle lovers! If you're on the hunt for the perfect waffle maker to kickstart your mornings in 2024, you've come to the right place. Today, we're reviewing the best waffle makers of 2024, featuring the top models that will make your breakfast game stronger than ever. Whether you like your waffles fluffy or crispy, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in with our first pick. First up is the Ninja NeverStick PRO, a game changer with its unique vertical design. This innovative setup ensures even heating for consistent results every time, making it perfect for thick, fluffy 1-inch Belgian waffles. The non-stick interior means no mess and easy cleanup, while the 5-shade settings let you choose your ideal waffle texture, from light and airy to golden and crispy. It even has a specialty setting for high-sugar batters, like brownie or cake mix, so you can get creative with your waffle creations. The included precision pour cup makes measuring and pouring batter a breeze, and the waffle maker's audible and visual alerts take out the guesswork, letting you know exactly when your waffle is done. The Ninja BW1001 not only brings convenience and versatility, but also adds a sleek, modern touch to your kitchen with its black and silver finish. Compared to traditional horizontal waffle makers, the vertical design not only saves space but delivers a superior cooking experience. Stay tuned as we explore more waffle makers that are worth adding to your kitchen arsenal. The Roter Mond 4-slice Belgian waffle maker is an ideal choice for families who need quick and delicious breakfasts. With its powerful 1,300-watt heating system, it cooks crispy waffles in just 4 to 5 minutes, or fluffy Belgian-style waffles in 6 to 7 minutes, allowing you to cater to everyone's preferences. The 4-slice design makes it easy to prepare multiple waffles at once, saving time during busy mornings. Equipped with temperature indicator lights, it guides you through the preheating process, ensuring perfect results. The wraparound channel prevents messes by catching any excess batter, while the cyclic heating system ensures that each waffle is evenly golden brown. The non-stick surface allows for easy cleanup, and the safety buckle with a cool touch handle offers safe operation even around kids. Its compact size, measuring 11.7 by 10.6 inches, fits easily into kitchen cabinets, with a built-in wire organizer for tidy storage. While the Ninja NeverStick PRO has a unique vertical design, the Roter Mond excels in making family breakfasts effortless and enjoyable without compromising quality. The Mueller Heart waffle maker is a delightful choice for anyone who wants to add a touch of fun to their breakfast. With its 1,000-watt heating power, this waffle maker quickly delivers 5 mini heart-shaped waffles, letting you enjoy perfectly browned waffles in just minutes. The adjustable browning control lever allows you to customize the texture, whether you prefer light and fluffy or crispy waffles, while the indicator light ensures there's no guesswork involved. You'll know exactly when it's ready to use. Designed for convenience, the non-stick cooking plates make cleanup a breeze, and the wraparound channel prevents spills by catching any excess batter. The cool touch handle ensures safe handling, even for young chefs eager to join the kitchen fun. Compact and practical, this 8-inch waffle maker can be stored upright with ease, and the undercord storage keeps things tidy. While the Ninja and Roter Mond waffle makers cater to larger batches, the Mueller Heart waffle maker brings a whimsical twist to breakfast, perfect for small households or those who enjoy sharing a little love with each bite. The Metine 3-in-1 waffle maker is a versatile kitchen essential that serves as a waffle maker, panini press, and sandwich maker. With 1,200 watts of power and interchangeable plates, it quickly heats up to prepare a variety of meals, from perfectly shaped waffles and sandwiches to grilled meats and vegetables. The 5-gear temperature control allows you to adjust the heat for different foods, making it easy to achieve optimal cooking results. Designed for convenience, the LED indicators guide you through the cooking process, eliminating the need for timers. Its non-stick coating ensures that food releases easily and cleanup is simple. Just wipe the plates or pop them in the dishwasher. Safety features like the cool touch handle and anti-skid feet provide stability during use. Unlike other waffle makers that focus solely on breakfast, the Metine's multifunctional design caters to diverse cooking needs, making it a practical choice for those who want more than just waffles. Compact and efficient, it's ideal for small kitchens or anyone looking to maximize their cooking options with a single appliance. The FOHERE 1400-watt double Belgian waffle maker is a fantastic choice for families craving fresh, fluffy waffles in no time. With 1400-watt power and a double-sided heating system, it cooks two 7-inch thick Belgian waffles in just 3 to 4 minutes, letting you ditch frozen waffles for good. The 180-degree flip feature ensures even batter distribution, producing waffles that are crispy on the outside and fluffy inside. Safety is prioritized with the anti-scald ABS plastic housing, which stays cooler to the touch than typical stainless steel waffle makers, reducing burn risk. Cleaning is a breeze, thanks to the non-stick plates and removable drip tray that catches any spills. Its compact, space-saving design allows for easy storage. This waffle maker's quick cooking time and capacity to make 2 waffles simultaneously set it apart from models like the Ninja and Roter Mond, making it ideal for families or anyone who loves fresh, homemade waffles with their favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.